Hey, are you ready to ditch the soldering iron and heat shrink tape? Well, check out this new product I found on Amazon. I'm going to review it here in just a second, called Heat Shrink TEK. We all know how difficult it can be to deal with solder and resin when you're trying to connect wires together. I've used different types of things, obviously electrical tape, solder, even some types of shrinking tape. But nothing makes the claims that the new product I found has. Heat Shrink TEK. It offers 110 pounds of pull strength, and they're running an amazing deal right now. So I don't know if this is going to work, but we're going to test it today. So I'm going to connect two wires. We're going to apply some heat to it and see if it holds up to the claims they're making. So let's go ahead and connect these two wires here. I've already kind of pulled one of these out, and so I've already stripped the wires for time, and so we're going to go ahead and connect them and see if it holds up the way we expect it to and the way they claim. Pretty simple to put the wires in. They kind of fit right along inside the way they're supposed to. Yep. Okay, so we got the wires in the packets there, so we're going to go ahead and apply our heat gun and see if it'll hold its strength. Not really sure what to expect here. Never had a technology like this before, but man, if it works, it sure was quick. I can just think of the time I take to prep a soldering gun. This would save me tremendous amounts of time if it actually works. Okay. There we go, it's melted. We'll give it a second to cool down, see if it'll... It's pretty hot still, so I was going to give it a couple seconds. Yeah, I may have had that heat gun pretty hot there, but it is cooling. And really the seal is great. It seems like it put a really strong seal on it. So, yep, that looks pretty good. Yeah, that really is tight. That's incredible. And it's already sealed and everything. No tape. It's smooth. So there's my review of Heat Shrink TEK. One thing you want to remember if you do buy this product is to fully heat the plastic and then let it cool. When I first did this, my mistake that I made was I actually heated it up. I had everything the way I wanted it, and then I did a pull test just to see if that strength would work, and it just stretched right out. So you need to make sure that plastic cools down completely. So again, thank you for watching, and tune back in next time.